From carbon fiber wallets to barbecue bargains and an accessory guaranteed to last a lifetime, I have your 5 best deals of the week and the top Father's Day gifts coming right up. This is my first ever Father's Day YouTube video where I am actually a father. Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. This is really exciting because I'm no longer surmising what a dad might want. I am one, and of course this isn't really just built around me, but it's built upon the many subscribers of this channel that I am so fortunate enough to have, where you've put in requests, or your significant others have, or your kids, and I'm here to help. If you expand the video description box right under me, you're going to find a list of deals that I was very excited to test. Some of the items I'm going to show you right now are very limited time offerings on sale in time for Father's Day. And if an item requires another video, more of an in-depth profile, I'll of course do that. One thing I'm not going to discuss today, I did get a lot of requests for knife deals. I'm going to do a separate video of that because that required a lot of testing. But before we get to the deals, if you're wondering, my daughter Mara is going to be 1 year old in a week. So I'm very excited about that. This is how she's grown up. Mara, are you waving? Can you say hi? Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. Hi. Hi. Well, there you go. And now for the deals. Before we get to my favorite carbon fiber wallet, let's cut the cord. Now, obviously this is not a paid product, but to score this antenna at the price I found, it's a win-win for any household in our region. If you want more HD channels for free than any other competing antenna, this antenna hooks up in seconds to get you free TV, and it also has a built-in filter to block out any interference from your smartphone. It also allows for better scanning of available channels, meaning you can unlock free HD TV programming and cut the cord and still watch this TV station live, in most cases, depending on how far you are from the broadcast source. So that cord cutting deal, ideal for the man cave or the she shed, depending on who you're shopping for. If it's not Father's Day, expand that video description box right under me, it is there. The carbon fiber wallet I have in my hands right now is a great way to cut down on bulk, but also protect yourself against radio frequency ID theft. While I will remind you no one is paying us to feature their products, this wallet that I am featuring today is the #1 in its class and guaranteed to cut down on identity theft. Yes, if you put it beside my bulkier wallet, everything you see in this wallet fits into these smaller, minimalist wallet, but more importantly, it is outfitted with radio frequency ID blocking technology. What does that mean? When you go out shopping, if someone has a scanner or some ability to steal your driver's license or credit card information, this wallet blocks it on the spot. Made of beautiful Toray carbon fiber. Many of the knockoffs you'll see everywhere do not have that durability, and they do not have this level of protection. Not only does this wallet cut down on bulk, but it cuts down on radio frequency ID theft. You're going to see a lot of other wallets on the market that look very similar to this. They've actually knocked off this design. This is the 100% Toray carbon fiber, which comes from Japan, and many of the other ones don't actually offer RFID protection. So if you do want to score that, I don't know if your dad had a money clip in the past, but there is something very reminiscent of that Father's Day friendly design, and I think this is great. The price that I found also I'm very proud of. While we are speaking about carbon fiber, before I go into a couple of other fun gadgets, a carbon fiber pen, I know I would never spend more than $1 on a pen. I buy them at the dollar store, and even that's too much. But I was surprised when I finally picked this up. It's kind of the difference between spending $15 on a knife and $300. You feel it when it's in your hand, and it really is guaranteed to last a lifetime. I buy my pens at the dollar store, and I thought, you've got to be kidding if you expect me to spend more than $2 on a pen. But then I felt the carbon fiber pen from Handsome Brands. Obviously, they're not paying us to talk about them, but I could not believe the difference. It's weighted. Your penmanship changes. Your handwriting changes. If you are looking to ink a deal, if you work in real estate, if you grade papers as a teacher, why not accessorize and look good with something where they will feel the difference, guaranteed to last a lifetime? Quite simply put, it's spectacular. That carbon fiber pen deal with that price drop located as well right under this video screen, and I do like the gift box. It's fun. You can cut down on having to wrap it, which is, again, really cheap. Okay, one thing that I want to mention, on Mother's Day, we typically, if you have purchased in the past a spa gift certificate as your mom, associate that with Mother's Day. Dad has many issues with his back and his shoulders and his neck, but for whatever reason it is, it's not as common for Dad to get a spa gift certificate. and I want a massage. So my favorite deal next is a Robo Massager, great for the neck and the shoulders and dad. Now, obviously, no brand is paying me to talk about them, but I did compare this brand to several different competing ones at double the price. The massage modes on this shoulder massage system felt the most reminiscent of a massage therapist's hands. To relieve stress, help you fall asleep faster, work out the kinks in your back, your neck, your shoulders. You can even use this on your legs, your calves, all of the other areas where you need some pain relief right now. You can score that shoulder massager for under 70 bucks right now by clicking the link below. And as we move on to the fifth deal of the week, the top 5 deal, grills, barbecues. Dad likes to barbecue. I love barbecuing. I always thought this was so stereotypically associated with dads. My mom actually is a great barbecuer as well, but I love being out in front of the grill, so I thought I would flag one major sale. I chart price drops for a living, so I'm sure as you guys know, I've alluded to it. The Memorial Day grill price drops are good, but if you wait after many of those deals that were on sale, enter the clearance phase, and if you can't wait till 4th of July, let me show them to you. With grill price drops up to 30% off, awesome. If you can wait till 4th of July, it'll be closer to 40%, and if you can wait till Labor Day, 50%. So you pick whether or not dad or yourself is ready for a grill right now, but if you are, that is the best sale you will see. Okay. So if there are other things you want me to test, other deals that you are looking for, it would be my honor to find them. And I just want to thank you for watching. To all the dads out there, Father's Day, I hope is something very meaningful and happy for you. And if you're not a dad and you're just watching, thank you. I love you for being here. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, this is what you can do. Click on my head right here. That will subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, click here. And that last big roundup of deals I did, right over here.